So we'll be discussing the another plane here. After that we have discussed the parallel plane through point, then we go proceed with the midplane between 2 points. So by clicking this midplane between 2 points, so by the way, I am now in part 21. So part 20, just click save as to have the part 21 and change this one to part 21. Now going back for clicking the midplane, so notice here that is being created in the middle. For example, if I want to click this plane or these surfaces or this base, so click these surfaces, then switch on the other side. So you will notice there is a projected plane which is created in the middle of this width of the base. So I will click my left mouse button, clicking that one, so a plane which is created in the middle. So let's see the right view here. So you will notice it is being created in the middle. Then I will be trying to create which is in the middle of this length of base. So again, creating my plane, which is mid plane between 2 planes. So clicking this plane, and on the other side, which is we create a middle. Okay, so a plane is created that is in middle of this length of base. Okay, so it is now created. So let's make a part future on this middle plane. So I will be creating my sketch here. And also notice in our browser at this side, so we have the plane 21, which is created in the middle, and also the work plane 22, which is in the middle also. So I'll be creating my sketch with using it creating to the work plane 22. Then so let's try to project those edges so that we have the reference point for our reference for constraining our sketch. So I'll be projecting that one line, this line. So this is the boundary of the cylinder that is being drawn or being created as a part. Okay, so it's now being created. So then I'll be shifting my view to visual styles, so wireframe, so that I can see my sketch here. So going to my sketch, I'll be creating a rectangle here. Okay, then I'm giving the dimension to properly constrain this one. So giving this 80 mm, and this one around 50 mm. Then we still need to constrain 2, which is identified here, says that we still have 2 dimensions required to constrain. So I'll be constraining this one also, so that we have the distance here, so giving it around 10 mm, and this one giving it a distance, so let's also give it like around 20 mm. Okay, now we have the fully constraint of our sketch. So let's try to finish this, and I will be extruding and cutting it on the cylinder. So I have here the behavior, so you can asymmetric on both sides, and I will be cutting, okay, cutting this sketch to my cylinder. So let's try to click OK. So let's see what will be created here. I'm gonna change my view styles to smooth shaded edges. Okay. So let's try to rotate. Then we have here the cutted extruded file that is being removed from our cylinder. So that is one application of using work plane